So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So we are going to a place called Sirnapalli Waterfalls. So this is in the Nagpur highway and it is I think around 2 hours of drive from Hyderabad. We have stopped for a breakfast at Sher-e Punjab Dhaba. Food is nice. So on the right I have the Dominar with Srinivas and the F250. Srinivas channel, you can check it out. It's the CNUYT, so that's his channel. Do check out his channel. We'll further talk about the experience, the bikes. He has recently done his service for the fourth paid service. Around 400 rupees, 4,000 rupees is what he paid, and I've completed my first service, due for the second one. So that's what it is. Let's see you on the road in the GoPro view. So we came to this place called Agigas. It's a small hill. So we are doing some off-roading with the Dominar and the F250. So I came to this place I think a year back, and that was on the Interceptor. It tackled the rock very nicely. So now it's time for the Dominar. The Dominar and the Pulsar F250. So the ground clearance for these vehicles is around like 140 to 150 mm. So we have to be a little careful. And the base, they don't have, they gave a fiber underbelly base. They could have given a metal one, but that's how it is. So this place, again, as I said, is called as Agigas. Small quarry which is left abandoned like this. So that's the Nagpur highway, and you can kind of take a halt over here and come to this top of this place to check out the beauty. So that's what it is. A small detour on this beautiful quarry. It's at Agigas, and the F250, the ground clearance seems to be pretty good. But this is at a steep angle. On the way to the waterfalls, we had to stop over here to check out this view. Awesome. A nice set of eucalyptus trees, and those two beauties, the F250 and the Dominar 250. So Nizamabad Waterfalls. I'm not sure what is this village, but yeah. So from the highway you have to take this right and get into this village. Yeah, so this leads to this road, which is Kacha road, and I believe you have to go like 2 to 3 kilometers to go to the waterfalls. And take a look at this old bungalow. Wow, nice. So again, another 2 to 3 kilometers, I believe. You have to cross this government school. Just beside the government school is where the bungalow is, and there is a temple as well and a mosque. Yeah. Oh man, what a crossing! Water crossing! Whoa, 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 whoa. What a crossing! What a crossing! दादा जरबताने या ले 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 No. Right, thank you. Mongoose. Deadly road. They are going in the midst of a jungle. Cattle, jungle. It's nice. And the bikes are performing really good. I mean, you can do this only on a two-wheeler, like, you know, going in such places. In four-wheeler, you don't get that fun, and you can't go to these unknown places. Like how we went to that eucalyptus garden, and yeah, so there are a lot of offbeat places that the access with the two-wheeler is far more better than a four-wheeler. See, there is a barricade as well. And looks like people have already come through the barricade. See, if it was a four-wheeler, we would have walked all this route, because you had to park it way behind. Food, huh? Okay. So this is the view, man. So water is kind of flowing over there, and there, I don't know if you can see, there's the waterfalls, and we are going to go over there. Yoo-hoo! So through the steps, you need to get down and go in that direction. Everywhere it is water, water, water. Even over here, there's a small patch of water which is coming through that hole. Woohoo! Okay, that is nice. So this is the waterfalls. It's not a waterfall, basically this is a reservoir, and because the water is overflowing, it gives the feeling that it's a waterfall. Is it nice? Huh? Gotta be careful because the rock will be slippery. And check out the view, man. Gotta be extremely careful. Whoa. ले ले जरा పోలేవా ఏంది ఏముంది ఇంకక్కడ వెళ్ళలే మీరు వణుకుతుందంటే Oh, four. So that was the waterfall for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, four. So time to get undressed. Not really, but wow, that's nice. What else? What else?